You can set privacy zones in the camera's field of view to block out areas that should not be recorded on a Avigilon Unity video. Here's how. From the View tab on a Avigilon Unity video, click the New Task menu in the top left corner and click Site Setup. Select a camera and click Privacy Zones. To add a privacy zone, click Add. A green box will appear on screen. Adjust the privacy zone by dragging the corners or sides. The privacy zone can only be rectangular in shape, and multiple privacy zones can be used to obstruct other shapes as needed. When you're finished, click Apply to save the privacy zones. Your privacy zones are now visible when displaying your device on the image panel. Need to configure removable privacy masks? Click the link in the description below or visit docs.avigilon.com. And for more Avigilon videos, subscribe to this channel.